will often need to use PLC address as the tag of a component or wire numbers. I mean that it is possible to tag a component based on PLC address instead of ladder reference number, which is generally used as a tag. To do that, you have to set options, so just right-click on the active drawing and a shortcut menu will be shown here. You have to choose Properties and then Drawing Properties. In the Display dialog box, go to Components tab and you need to select the Search for PLC Address checkbox. Also, if you want to use PLC address as wire numbers, in the Wire Number tab, you need to select Search for PLC Address checkbox. Then I'm going to choose the OK button to exit this dialog box. Now if you insert a new component, it will get the PLC address as a component tag. You have to pay attention to this issue that if the components are already inserted, to change the tag based on PLC address, and after doing the changes that I had shown before, you have to use Retag tool to apply the changes to the already inserted components. For example, this component tag is not related to the PLC address. Therefore, I use Retag tool in the Edit Components panel, and then a new tag will be assigned to my component based on PLC address. Now I want to insert another component and wire to show an example. So what I'm going to do is showing a wire tool, then specifying wire start from one of the PLC points, and in the last step selecting the end point to terminate the wire. At this time I'm going to choose a component, so I go for icon menu here and choose my desired component, and as it is attached to the cursor, I will insert it here in this point. Finally, you can see the component tag is same as PLC address.